Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the dust bag on the Roborock Qrevo S Pro. If you're interested in the S Pro, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. And you'll find our newly released robot vacuum comparison tool, so be sure to check out those links. So let's get right to it. Here's the station for the S Pro. We have a removable cover here that's glossy. Just grab it from both sides and pull it towards you. That's going to reveal the vacuum bag that we need to change. So just go ahead, grab the vacuum bag from this gray top cover here and just gently pull it out and dispose of the old vacuum bag. And then take your new vacuum bag. I like to write the date at the top right here too. And we're going to line it back up and just gently press it in place. I like to press it from the sides too, because this top cover is a little bit flimsy, but it's really sturdy on the sides. And then you can just press it right in. There's our new vacuum bag. Now we just take our cover again. It should only fit one way. I don't think, oh, interesting. It doesn't really fit that way. I was gonna say, that'd be kind of rather shocking, but it should only fit one way. But the Roborock font will be up in basically the top left-hand corner if you're looking at the station for that cover right there, and it just snaps back on. There you have it. You just successfully changed the vacuum bag on your Roborock Qrevo S Pro.